Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be talking through how to do and install tips and tricks on this 2012 Ford F-150 with a Belltech 4 and 6 inch drop. On the front, you're going to want spring compressors. This is to take the spring out of the strut on your front strut and to replace it with the new Belltech strut. You can rent one of these at your local auto parts store, or maybe you have a big spring compressor that you have access to. It's a little bit safer. It's what we use to be able to swap those springs on the strut. You'll also need to hollow out about 3/8 of an inch of the lower control arm bolt. This will allow you to get your camber in spec when you do your alignment. Then as we move to the rear on the driver's side, the front hanger bolt, you will not be able to remove because of the gas tank. You'll need to take a reciprocating saw or an angle grinder and chop it off. Then you'll be able to pull the bolt off. That's the front driver's side. And then as you remove the leaf springs, you'll want to remove the entire leaf pack, put them underneath the axle, and then secure it. You'll have a real pain if you just do the front, try to unhook one side and then reinstall. Those are our tips and tricks on how to install a 4 to 6 inch drop kit on a 2012 F-150. Thanks. If there's anything that we could ever do for you, please give us a call, 833-268-2577. We'd love to help you out.